Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are going on the Showboat. Now it is basically a cruise, and we are going on the White River Landing Showboat. It says welcome aboard here, and there's my brother right there, my cousin right here, and we got the whole family here. So,
got the other YouTubers.
what's up?
Hi.
Okay, so we're just gonna find a way to get down there. It's basically like a cruise, but for 4 hours. See, look, there's a little buoy, and look at all these anchors and these big chains and stuff. That is awesome. Steamboat?
Steamboat.
Oh, that's a propeller for a steamboat. What?
Oh wow, that's a big steamboat. I can see it.
Oh,
My parents are blocking it.
way out there, guys. Look at this little lighthouse, and it's using the lights. This is awesome. It's very beautiful, looks very natural.
Got my cousin blocking all the view with his big head.
Isn't it like a state park or something?
I don't know.
Oh, I thought that was a rock. It was like a shiny piece of metal. I thought it was a rock. Look at these pretty flowers.
Up ahead.
Wow. Look,
Look at that.
that is, we have little souvenirs over there. I'm gonna do that at the end of the YouTube video.
Right there. I scared myself. I was like, wait, where's my phone? I was like, oh wait, I'm using it to record.
Woman's boutique. I bet all the women's are going to go in the woman's boutique. Look at that boat, guys. Check this out.
The boat.
That boat right there in the background.
There's my souvenirs.
We're gonna go in here. Pick a pearl. Can you get like live oysters?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm doing that. And that's worth it. Also want a unicorn thing. That's pretty nice. This is actually like, I feel like we're at the ocean. So let's just wait. This is boarding right here. Let's go ahead, wait till we're on the boat. Okay guys, hold on. I see this. I need that hat. Comment down below. Should I wear it?
Am I recording?
Are you recording?
I don't know.
I don't know, but these are really nice hats. I should get one for my mom.
Okay.
Maybe. I'll think about it.
Oh, here you go. Here you go.
Yeah, can you videotape me? Oh, actually, I'll just.
Yeah.
You like it? You like my
Hat. My hat.
Let's go over this
Like
one.
my hat.
Awesome.
So glittery.
This is so cool. Here we are. Okay.
How you like me now?
Okay, hold on, guys. Look at the purses. These are nice. Ooh, rings.
Wait, put your camera up if you're recording.
I'm pointing my camera up. Should I get these for my mom?
No. Wow, they're really cheap.
They are. They are?
Yes.
Oh, well, now I'll record when I'm on the boat. Okay. Before I get on there, I love this stuff. It is called saltwater taffy. I absolutely am a huge fan of it. Look at this. Watermelon. Little saltwater taffy. I'm definitely going to buy this. Definitely. So,
I love saltwater.
yeah. Is that honey?
So there's rainbows.
Hold on. Can you test these? Caleb, you can test them.
I don't want to touch it. My hands get all sticky.
You got
Look at that. It's all like liquidy.
Oh
my gosh.
yes.
put on the
Yes.
spoon now.
Let's smell them. What's that taste like?
That's good.
Is that caramel?
Don't double dip.
I'm not.
That's good. There's fudge. Okay.
Right, I have one for here.
Horseradish?
Here, try this one, Ryder.
Oh, what?
Horseradish, bacon dip.
I'll take some.
Okay, guys, check this out.
Oh, it's a sample.
Actually, that's not that bad.
I usually don't like this stuff, but I'm still trying to.
That's not that bad. To be completely honest.
It's actually not too bad, actually.
You want horseradish?
I'm going to check over here at the fudge. Let's check this out. Look at this. Cookies and cream. Chewy pear lime. Birthday cake.
No.
Lucky Road. Peanut butter chocolate and peanut butter. Chocolate pecan and just chocolate. And look at the size of those cookies, dude. Indeed.
Almost as big as my hand. Actually, bigger.
This is a great store. I can't imagine what's in the souvenir store. So, yeah, we'll see you at the boat. I promise. Just kidding. I lied. We're going to the next store. Walking into the souvenir store. Here we go. Here we go. thingies.
I'm going to be a sailor when I grow up.
Bro,
How do I look?
that is awesome. Like, to be honest.
Well, not how I did on my recording skills, but.
I'll fight you with my bare hands. Oh dear. Where's Jason going? He's going into the little kitty section. Oh no. Ready? Baby shark doo doo. I'm sorry. I'm not doing that.
What are you doing, Jace?
Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo doo doo. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not. No.
Look at this.
Caleb. There could be pocket knives here.
Put that back to your brother.
Check me out.
Pocket dog.
What is this?
Whoa.
It's a sailor's hat. Really nice. Put that right down in here. And now I'm going to go search for pocket knives. Let's go. Sun bum. Pocket knives. Pocket knives. Looking for pocket knives, Papa D. What's this?
Over here.
Pocket knives. Let's look for Ryder.
Look for C and I'll look for R.
J. R's? Where?
Yeah, it's right here. I'm gonna go down.
Ryan. Dang it, they don't have Ryder. They probably have Caleb.
Let's see, guys. Tell me if you can find it down below. Oh, brother. There's James.
They don't have Caleb either.
Wow. But they do. Oh, I'm all out.
But they're out.
They're all out of me. Why?
I can be like number one son.
That's number one son over here. And number one brother. See, look, number one son sold out. There's one more number one son.
Ah.
Taking it. There's number one brother.
Comment down below. How do they get these ships in the bottle?
They make them.
Well, Caleb. I hear crickets, but I know they're not. Jalapeno pepper cheese? What? Ooh, our name. Did you find it?
No. Trying to find mine.
We can spin it. A, B, C. Oh, okay. Let's see if I find my name. Really? Tiny ships in the bottle, guys.
Finger, and that's how tiny it is.
My hand and the bottle. Ooh, let's go out there and see the pearls. Hold on, guys. I might just get this. Or this.
I'll just show it to you.
I don't know. I'm still got to record my thing. The boat. Yeah, I'm into fitness. Fitness, whole pizza in my mouth.
Ozark Mountain.
May the forest be with you. That's cool. Hey, look, a menu. Oh, no. Never mind. Caleb, check this out. I might get this because I love fishing.
Right it.
Yeah?
Come here. Come here.
Coming.
Yeah, I'm into fitness.
Fitness. Funny shirts. Cringe. It's
Funny.
real, bro.
That's funny.
They're cringy, but funny at the same time. I need one of these. Expecto Patroma.
I got a knife.
I gotta get a knife, guys. How much are they? $15.
It's not worth it.
Never mind. What's this thingy?
Look into the light. Flashlight. Not a morphing pet.
Not a morphing
Oh
pet?
gosh. And we're moving out the road. Hey, my sister has one of those.
These are cool.
Yo ho ho and a bottle of Coke.
Yo ho ho and a bottle of
Oh, look,
Coke.
that's $2 for an iPad.
For an eye patch, are you kidding me? Can't you want to pay $2? You are. Oh no, my gun don't work.
I don't either.
I know where some working guns are. I died.
still.
Come and look at this.
Hold on, get out of her way.
Still recording.
Come and look at this.
Come look at what?
Vision's in the wrong spot there.
Back scratcher.
Oh,
This has
hold up. This is cool.
This has to.
Back scratcher. Okay, now, if I see something cool, I will show you, but we're going on a boat. Okay guys, so here's the showboat we are going to be going on. Table 1 is going on right now. We are table 3, so we are the last one. Look at this lake. Very big. It's like the ocean basically. You can see the waves down there. So yeah, this is going to be super fun. Those red things are the paddles, which is going to power the boat. So yeah, let's do this. Okay guys, now we're in. So we're just going to be right over here, just walking down this nice little dock. We're going to go right onto the boat. So see you guys when we're on the boat. Hey, look at that speedboat. So I'll see you when we're on the boat. Okay guys, check this out. Oh, I gotta hold my phone really tight. Check this out. We're walking on here. We're almost on the boat, guys. Sketch. Check this out. We're almost on the boat. I bet there's some huge catfish out there. Okay, we're almost on the boat now. And we're getting in line, so I'll see you when we're on the boat. Okay, now that we're in, we're going to board the boat. Okay, let's go. Let's board the boat. Here we are. We're walking on. Down there. Okay, guys, we're on the boat now. Check it out in there. Right in here. Getting ahead of. Okay, here we are. Ready? We're about to walk in. It's right in here. Ready? Here we are. Here we are, guys.
Need help finding your seats?
Check this out. So I'm gonna end the video, not right here, but when we get in our seats, I'll end the video. Because I don't think we're really allowed to videotape here, so I'll just cut it when we get in our seats. So yeah. Okay, so let's just wait. They're really gunning that out there. Okay, let's go to our tables, guys. Look out here. Look out the windows. Feel like we're on like a big boat here. We're at 3 and 4, guys. So we're walking in here to the diner. Check it out. There's a safety boat out there. Look how big this place is, guys. Here's the stage here.
L3 and 4. L3 and 4? You're right over here.
Let's go, guys. Okay, so here it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Peace out, guys.